As we ended last week's lesson, we were talking about the types of the figures of speech. We listed 6 various types: figures of speech involving comparison, figures of speech involving substitution, figures of speech involving omission or suppression, figures of speech involving overstatement or understatement, figures of speech involving inconsistencies, and figures of speech involving sound. In this week's lesson, we're going to continue this discussion of figures of speech, and we're going to go into each of these types of speech and talk about the various forms inside each of these categories. For instance, the figures of speech involving comparison, we'll talk about similes and metaphors and hypocatastasis. Types of figures of speech involving substitution, we'll talk about the metonym, the syndecticity, the merism, hyende, anthropomorphisms, anthropopathisms, zoomorphisms, apostrophe, euphemisms. In the area of types of speech involving suppression, we'll talk about the ellipsis, the zeugma, the rhetorical question. So in each type and kind of these figures of speech, we'll talk about the categories inside these 6 categories. So we'll continue the rest of this lesson discussing our figures of speech.